So the Crusty Duster is still broken, which means no flying this weekend, but we do have mountain bikes still. Well, good morning once again, weekenders. It is Saturday morning. I'm in Castaic Lake today at the Revolution Bike Fest. It's pretty much like a miniature sea otter as they described. So my plans for today are to go check out some bikes and do a little bit of test riding on some of the new bikes coming out. All right, first bike up on the chopping block, the all new Cannondale Habit. I'm actually the first one to ride this particular bike because it's a actually brand spanking new one. So far, pretty balanced, riding with no hands. Give you a little bit better review after I get done riding it.
Oh my baby, got me staring at you, so I'm crazy. Won't you bend that back for me? We won't stop, got your feet both locked. You get to fly with me. I can take you down for a ride. I take you around my life. Jaywalking, crosswalking, lip locking, but you, I know it, you know it, we make it.
Well, as you guys can tell, I'm now on a different bike. This is the Ripley LS from Ibis. Well, before I start talking about this new bike that I'm on, I'm gonna go ahead and say it. That Cannondale Habit was pretty awesome.
Oh my baby, got me staring at you, so I'm crazy. Won't you bend that back for me? We won't stop, got your feet both locked. You get to fly with me. I can take you down for a ride. I take you around my life. Jaywalking, crosswalking, lip locking, but you, I know it, you know it, we make it.
Well, only got a little bit of footage of the bike rides, not too much of the festival itself. Had an awesome time out here at the festival. It's 2:30 or 3 o'clock now. I am leaving a little bit early because I have to go make a furniture delivery. So that's what I'm off to right now. Probably gonna get something to eat pretty soon too, because haven't really had too much to eat besides breakfast this morning. So I made my furniture delivery. It wasn't too far away. It was just at the Castaic truck stop. Now that I've had some more time to think, I think my three favorite bikes of the day were the Cannondale Scalpel, the Cannondale Habit, and the Ibis Ripley LS. The Habit and the Ripley were pretty similar bikes, and the Scalpel was like a cross-country bike, but still super fun. Really, I guess all the bikes I rode were really fun, so it means I had a really fun day. So I'm gonna go to the truck stop, get some food, relax for a little bit, and then I honestly don't know what else, but we'll see what happens. Well, it's about 4:30 or so now. The sun is going down and it's starting to get pretty cold out. Even though it didn't seem like I did too much today, I'm really tired. I actually had to wake up early and bring Logan to the airport this morning also, and then riding mountain bikes all day. So I'm gonna be hanging out in the van, getting ready for bed, and I'll see y'all in the morning. Well, good morning, guys. It is Sunday morning. I am in Sandburg, California now. As you might be able to tell, it is very windy. It's also very cold. It's about 47 degrees, I think is what the thermometer said. I'm here to do some mountain biking, and I do have all my cold weather gear, but I'm not really wanting to go too bad. I think I'm gonna do it anyways, I guess. Well, I'm all dressed up and ready to go now, but while I was outside unloading my bike, I really got a taste for what the weather is like, and it doesn't look like it's gonna be too much fun. So the weatherman says it's like 20-mile-an-hour winds or so, and it might even be a little bit more than that, but it seems like a pretty miserable ride, so I might wait it out. I might just try and go somewhere else. I'm gonna try and find something though. So as you can tell, I have taken a shower finally, and I am back in my pickup truck rather than the van. I'm on my way to Bakersfield Municipal Airport to go meet up with one of my old flight instructors from Dallas. He's delivering a plane to someone somewhere in California and stopping by Bakersfield for some lunch. So I'm gonna go grab some lunch. I got a mountain bike in the back of the truck, and I'm gonna go ride mountain bikes after I eat. Alright, so I just finished lunch with this man right here, Mr. Brennan Claflin. He's headed off to Ukiah with this nice Cherokee. Peace out. Okay, so I'm at Hart Park now. I don't know why I'm doing this. I'm riding this old bike, I guess just in honor of riding different bikes this weekend. So probably isn't gonna be the longest ride ever because the bike kind of sucks, but I'm gonna go ride it anyways. Well, I'm back home now, and unfortunately on that last bike ride, as soon as I went to go press record on the camera, it said the battery was dead. So that's why there was no footage of it. But there is footage of the sun going down out here in Shafter, which means that the weekend is pretty much over. I am not a big fan of this whole sun going down early thing, as I'm sure most of you aren't either. So this weekend was a pretty short video with pretty much just some mountain biking in it. But sometimes you gotta take it easy, and that's what this weekend was. So next weekend, my dad will be in town, and we'll be doing something fun, hopefully. So see you then. Croissant!